So over here, you can see that I got 3 Wikipedia tabs over here on the top and 1 Bing tab. So let's say what I want to do is I want to bring in these 3 Wikipedia tabs on under one group because they are similar. So I'm going to go around and right click for that, and over here you can see that add tab to new group is an option. And what you can do is you can go around and name it whatever you like right here, like Wikipedia, choose a color over here, pin the tab group right here, and then so forth. So you can see that this is what you have. So this is under Wikipedia right here. So apart from that, you can also go around and move this out over here. You can see that this Wikipedia tab can be minimized and expanded. So that is what you have. So now what I can also do is right click and then add it to Wikipedia right here, just like this, and I can minimize and expand this out. I'm going to go to Bing, and then I'm going to add tab to group as well, and I'm going to go around and say new group, and I'm going to say Microsoft over here, just like this. So Microsoft right here, and you can choose a color as you want right here, and then you can see that this is what you have as well. So if I were to go around and click, you can see that I can minimize and I can maximize the tabs out right here, just like this, and I can have easy access to them just like this. So that is what you have. You got the Bing and you got the Wikipedia, as you can see right here. I can right click over here, and then you can see that I can add in a new tab in the group as well. So I can open up a new tab in the group as well. I can even go around and ungroup out the tabs over here. Let me just go around and then add to a new group again and say Wikipedia right here, just like this, and add this onto add these tab onto Wikipedia just like this. I can also go around and right click, and I can go around and close the group tab right here just like this. So entire thing is closed as well. Let me just go around and then add a new tab to the group right here, and simply go around and say wiki right here. Let me just go around and say Wikipedia space right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So now I can go around and make a new tab over here as well. So let's just go around over here onto Microsoft Edge, and then I'm going to add this to a new group over here. So I'm just going to go around and say wiki just like this. So you can see that I got 2 groups again. If I were to right click over here, then I can go around and close, and I can ungroup, and I can move the group to a new window as well. So now you can see that they are separate windows. And that is how you can work around with tab groups inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.